Okay, what's up? So, sa kaning nga video, atong explain or atong mahibaw-an kung unsang mga terminologies atong masugatan in learning Node.js. So, of course, first is the Node.js itself, no? Unsa na siya? Unsa nang Node.js, sir? Then, um, second is if maghisgot ta og Node.js, masugatan sa na nato ang term nga NPM. Okay, so kana lang for now, no? For this video is Node.js lang og NPM. Ang ubang term ato lang na siyang i-explain along the way kung ato na siyang masugatan. Okay, so Node.js, if you go to Google Chrome and then um, you type Node.js, no? So it will show you Node.js is an open source cross-platform backend JavaScript blah 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 whatsoever, no? It's very technical. Okay, so but in a simple term, okay, in a simple explanation, mao ni siya ang mahibaw-an nato, angay natong mahibaw-an sa JavaScript. Okay, or I mean sorry, sa Node.js. Okay, so let me just make it wider. Okay, so what is Node.js? It is a JavaScript runtime environment. It executes JavaScript code outside the browser. Okay, so 'di ba? Remember before sa ato ang tutorial is you can only run JavaScript code in a browser console. Okay, so let me show you. For example, a new tab and then ari ka sa inspect and then sources. Okay, so dire no, sorry, console. Okay, so diri ka makapadagan og JavaScript code like 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, or console.log um, hello world. Okay, so so far makapadagan ta og JavaScript code diha. And even before, no, before way back years ago, wala pa ang Node.js. There's no way nga makapadagan ka og JavaScript code outside sa browser, no? Okay, diri ra jud, no? There's no other way. And then dili sa ka maka-program og JavaScript nga backend outside sa browser, no? Okay, but tungod sa Node.js is it executes JavaScript code outside the browser. So makapadagan na ka og JavaScript code without using a browser, okay? But usually kana siya mga back-end code na siya, okay? Of course, sa front end is you will really need a browser, okay? Um, Sir, what's the difference between Node.js and JavaScript? Okay, so JavaScript is the language, no? Okay, ano siya ang language? Programming language like PHP, Python, Java, C, JavaScript. Okay, mo na siya ang programming language. But Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment. Ang pasabot ana, ang JavaScript dira mudagan ang JavaScript mudagan sa Node.js, no? Okay, or ang Node.js siya ang mo execute sa JavaScript code. Okay, so that's why it's written here. It executes JavaScript code outside the browser. Okay, I hope nasabtan. And then next is tungod sa Node.js maka-create, read, update, and delete files. Okay, so mao na itong buhaton later, no, sa atong coding. And another one is it can easily communicate to the database. Okay, so um, ato sad nang masugatan later sa ato ang um, coding kung unsaon paggamit sa JavaScript to communicate to a database. Okay? So, sir, why Node.js? Nganong Node.js man atong gamiton sa ato ang web development karon? Um, okay, because it uses JavaScript is a powerful language, especially in a web world of web development. Okay, so fast. Node.js is fast, and it has a huge ecosystem of open source packages, and that is the npm. Okay, we'll talk about that later unsa ng npm. And then another one is great for real-time services, like for example magbuhat ka og chat application. Node.js is really great for that, no, compared to other languages. Although ma-achieve siya sa lain nga programming languages, like example magbuhat kag chat service using Java baron or Python, it can be achieved. But um, JavaScript is the best, I would say, the best um, programming language for those real-time services, no, like chat. Okay, and there are a lot of packages out there, okay, for real-time services. So again, Node.js is a runtime environment, no? Dili na siya programming language. It is a runtime environment. Siya ang mag-execute sa JavaScript nga code outside sa browser. Okay. And what is NPM? So again, as sa atong nahisgutan diri, huge ecosystem of open source packages. Okay, so unsay pasabot ana? So if you go to Google and type npm, no? So mao ni siya. Same npm package manager for JavaScript programming language. Okay, so mao ni ang ilahang website, no? npmjs.com. Ang You can think of it as a library, no, kanang npm. Okay, so sa library, sa school library, kung musud ta sa library, naatay makita nga mga libro. Okay, so kato nga mga libro, lain-lain ang purpose ato. Na libro for example, um, novels, no, na ay libro for short stories, na ay libro for facts, na ay encyclopedia, okay, Bible, uh, libro for math and science, okay, and etc. So ang npm mura ra sa na siya library with millions, no, if not thousands, with millions of packages. Okay, so now unsa man ang mga packages, sir? So think of it as the book, no? Ang mga packages mo ng mga libro. So lain-lain pud na ang iyang purpose. Okay, we will need this kay as we develop a web application, we will need some packages. Okay, so dili na ta mag code like from scratch, there are libraries or there are packages out there nga pwede na tong gamiton, no, built by those programmers all over the world. Okay, so Node.js and npm. Okay, for the next video we will set up Node.js and npm. Okay, so atong install ang Node.js o npm. See you on the next video.